Hi, this is Java Servlet Learning Course by Example. My name is Chien, and today, the day 2, I will guide you how to create the first Java Servlet project and run it on the Windows PC. Okay, so in order to start to work on the project, we have to download the tool. In this tutorial, I will using the Eclipse, and we have to download the Eclipse version, which is support for the for creating a website application project. And secondly, we will run it on the Windows PC by using the Tomcat server we have installed on the in the first day. Okay, so now let's get started. And you open the browser and access to the eclipse.org and go to the download page. Here we have a lot of versions of Eclipse. Okay, so here we scroll down and you can see we have Eclipse IDE for Java EE developer here. And now go ahead to download the versions for your Windows PC. And here it is support for Windows, Mac, and Linux. And here I'm using the Windows 64-bit. And I will go ahead to click on the 64-bit here, hyperlink to download the file. Okay, so here because the size of this file is so heavy, so to save the time, I already downloaded it to my PC. Okay, here, this one is the zip file which contains the shortcode of the Eclipse and will be supporting you to create the web app solution. Okay, so here I will go ahead to extract it. Okay, cool. We have a Eclipse folder. Yeah. So here inside this Eclipse folder, you go ahead to click on the eclipse.exe. Double click on this to open. Yeah. And here we have to select the workspace for this one. Okay, I will back to this one and create a new folder in the workspace for Java 2E. Yes. Okay, cool. Select this folder. Paste it here. Launch. Okay, cool. Here. Okay, so this one is the dashboard of the Eclipse IDE, which will be support you to work with the web application for Java Servlet. Okay, cool. So here you right click, you go ahead to click on File and New, and you can see here we have a dynamic web project. Click on it. Okay, so here left everything is default, and you click on project name and enter it in my first project. Click on finish button, and we have new runtime. We do it later. Next, finish. Okay, cool. So here I go ahead to create a new file, and I will create it either HTML or JSP file. Here I will create a JSP file, and I will name it index.jsp. Click on the next button, finish. Okay, so here this one is it contains the HTML code, And now I will go ahead to print out a message here. Okay, so here right click on this one and try to run it, run on server here. So here you have to select the server to run. And okay, so here we have a lot of server, and here I will select Apache and the Tomcat server. Okay, so here in the first day we have done. I will also guide you how to install the Tomcat version 9 on the PC. And here I will open the folder, and I have the Apache Tomcat version 9.0.11 here, and this one is the folder, and I will open here and click on next button. So after that I have to specify the the Tomcat installation directory on my PC. I click on Pro button and go to the folder which I will install the Tomcat server. Select folder. Okay, next, finish. Here is starting Tomcat. Here, so here it is running in the internet web browser. You can see here it is displaying the message hello one Jenny talking, nice to be connected with you here. Okay, cool. So here we can copy this one and open it in another instance of the browser on the PC. Okay, for that thing. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. So you know in the day one, if we want to run the Tomcat service, we have to open the command line and type the command is startup. But in this video, when you are using the Eclipse tool to run the web application, so you no need to run you no need to start the Tomcat server manually by typing it in the command line. Okay, because the Eclipse already handle it for you. Okay, cool. Okay, so here back to the Eclipse. Yeah, and you can see here the site running by using the internal browser supporting by Eclipse. And in case when I run the run the website here on server, and I want to open the another browser on my PC like Chrome, Firefox or Internet Explorer, how to do it? Okay, here in the navigation menu we have a window. You click on preference, and here and select the general, expand it, and we have a web browser here. So here you can see in the web browser by default it will select the internal web browser option, and here you want to change to select external web browser, you will select the second option. And here so first by default it will be select the default system web browser. So for example, if you are setting the Chrome on the Windows PC is the default web browser, so if you select the default system web browser and after you run the web application on the Windows PC, it will select the Chrome. And the same thing, if you select the Firefox is the default browser, so when you run the web application, it will run it on the Firefox. Okay, here. So here, if I want, I can specify the Chrome, Firefox or Internet Explorer is the default running for this website. You go ahead to select it in the list here. apply and close button. Okay, cool. So now I will try to run it. The same thing, right click on the editor here and click on run as run on server. Finish. Yeah. So after that, it will run it on the Chrome browser in this internal browser supported by the Eclipse. Okay, cool. So here, I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to select the right version for Eclipse to run with the Java Servlet application on your PC. And after that, you also know how to build your first project in the servlet and run it on using the Tomcat server. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.